In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your auxiliary trim ring on your Dodge Ram, located right here on your dash. Let's go ahead and use our 3/8 wrench. I'm going to go ahead and loosen this nut and remove the terminal. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect our terminal here. And go ahead and set that aside. Right here on the right side of the center console, you're going to have a Phillips head screw. Use your Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove that screw. Going to grab the dash bezel here and gently pull it away, working your way all the way around. Across the back side of this trim bezel, we have all these connectors. There are simple tabs that you're going to press in and then wiggle the connectors off. We're going to do this for all of these here. We have our auxiliary connector. I'm going to come in here with our little pocket screwdriver, depress that. Get behind these little tabs, these are actually tabs you pull out and pop these out. You only do that for the red and blue connectors there. It's going to allow us to have access to our unit right here. Now once you have your trim bezel out of the vehicle, go ahead and bring that over to the bench. I want to go ahead and pull this unit out. So we're going to flip it over. I'm going to go ahead and try and push this out. Pull this unit out, and you can see that the trim ring here came off with it. It's not that big of a deal. You want to pull it off anyways. Slip that ring off like so. Now that we have the components out, let's go ahead and flip this back over. Let's go ahead and take our ring. We're going to slide that in. Snap that into place. Then you could take this unit here. You're going to line up your tabs on the unit itself. Line this up, slide it down, and press it all the way in. Go ahead and install all of your connectors. Let's go ahead and line up the bezel and install that. Once all that is installed, go ahead and install that Phillips head screw. Once you have that in, go ahead and install your cigarette lighter, and let's go ahead and install the battery. Push these down into place. Now our battery terminal bolts were a little corroded. We went ahead and replaced it at this time. If you tighten this here, that bolt can be weak and break even while you're on the road. Go ahead and tighten down our bolt here. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.